In this video, I will show you how to use Gamma AI to create professional presentations as a freelancer or consultant. I'll start by clicking Create New AI and choosing the Generate option to get things moving. I'm selecting Presentation and setting the length to 5 cards for a focused deck. Now, I'll input a detailed prompt tailored to my consulting project, focusing on how I can transform traditional retail operations. I click Generate Outline to review the structure Gamma proposes. Once satisfied, I'll move down to customize the look and feel. I'm opting for a concise text style and selecting the blues theme for a clean, professional aesthetic. After clicking Generate, the AI starts building the slides in real time. You'll see it instantly creating a title page, outlining retail challenges, and explaining the benefits of technology with relevant visuals and structured data points. It efficiently covers technical topics like inventory management and AI ethics without any manual effort. Now that the presentation is generated, I can start editing and changing the content if I want. I can modify the text directly, adjust layouts, or use the side toolbar to add images, videos, and even more cards to expand the deck. This flexibility allows me to refine the pitch and make it my own before sharing it with a client. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for freelancers and consultants.